Okay, what we're going to be doing in this next video is we're going to be recapping some of the classwork questions set by to the students. Right, we have 4 multiplied, we're going to multiply this bracket, 4 multiplied by x squared plus 2y squared. So the first element is 4 times by x squared will give us, Najma, simply 4x squared. 4 times by plus 2y squared will give us, remember, 4 times by plus 2y squared. 4 times by the plus 2 will give us plus 8. And then we have left over is the y squared. And that question is done. Okay. Alright, the next question over here, we have 2y on the outside. Inside the bracket we have 3y plus 4x squared. So we said 2y times by 3y. Now what we do here is we multiply the numbers by the numbers. So 2 times by 3 will give us
5.
Okay, 6. Then you have y times by y will give us y squared. Now you have 2 times by the 4 will give us 8. And then we have y times by x squared will give us
Y.
x squared y or y squared, doesn't matter. There you go. Okay, the next question. We have x on the outside multiplied by r plus r squared. Well, x times by r will just give you the product of those two together. You can't get any simpler than that. You can't do anything more than that with it. You have x times by plus r squared. That will give you then x r squared. Okay, Zisha, are you happy with that? Okay, we have 2xy. We multiply it by x. Now, the x, when you multiply it by the x, that will give you x squared. And the rest of it gets copied down as a product. 2x squared y. You have 2xy times by the y squared. Now the y's will combine. Y times by y squared will give you y to the 3. And then we just copy the rest of it down. 2xy cubed. So those get carried through as a product. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. Please join us next week when we have our next lesson.